This is my everyday garlic bread. No oven, no kneading, and I've been making it every single day. Crispy on the outside, pillowy soft inside. Absolutely loaded with garlic butter. I'm going to show you the exact method. You only need 5 ingredients: flour, salt, instant yeast, warm water, and of course, a whole lot of garlic. No stand mixer, no Dutch oven, no special equipment at all, just a bowl, a pan. We're starting with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Spooned and leveled, not packed. 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. That's it, no proofing needed. Now warm water, 3 cup, about 3/4 of a cup. You want it warm, not hot. Comfortable on your wrist. Just stir until it comes together into a shaggy dough. It doesn't need to be perfect. That's the whole point. See how soft and a little tacky that is? That's exactly what we want.
Cover it up, Karuf, and here's where the magic happens. We're letting it rest for just 1 hour. 1 hour later, look at those bubbles. The yeast has done all the work, so you don't have to. Every single time dab, I still love seeing this. Dust your counter lightly, just enough so it doesn't stick. You don't need much. Turn the dough out, woof. Gentle now. We are not kneading, we are just shaping. 4 gentle folds, woof. Stretch and fold. That's it, you're done handling the dough. Shape it into a rough log. It doesn't need to be beautiful. Rustic is the whole vibe here. Score the top with 3 cuts, bends. This lets the bread expand beautifully while it cooks. While the dough has its final rest, let's make the garlic butter. This is my favorite part. Real butter only saying. I'm not negotiating on this one. 6 cloves of garlic pearl, smashed and roughly chopped. I don't mince, I want texture and big garlic presence. Garlic goes in go, and your entire kitchen is about to smell absolutely incredible. Low and slow tau until the garlic turns golden. Not brown, golden, there's a difference. Fresh parsley, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and just a touch of sea salt. Whoa. That smell right there, Mono, that is why I make this every day. Set this aside a bow and look at that color. Pure gold. Yeah. Heavy pan, cast iron if you have it. We're cooking this entirely on the stovetop.
Cold pan, no oil. We're starting cold and building heat slowly. This is the secret to the crust. Lid on and we let it go. 20 minutes on medium-low. No peeking for the first 10. 10 minutes, look at that golden bottom. That's our crust forming. Perfect. Flip it carefully and now the other side gets its turn. Another 15 minutes.
This is when my kitchen becomes my favorite place in the world. Just wait for it. Tap the top when it sounds hollow. It's done. This one is absolutely done. Out of the pan and onto the board to bay. Let it rest for just 5 minutes. Don't rush this part. That steam is telling you it's still cooking inside. 5 minutes, I promise it's worth it. Now the garlic butter goes on while the bread is still hot. Every single inch. I always do 2 coats. Always. This is not a 1-coat household. Look at it. Golden crust, garlic butter soaking into every crack. This is what I live for. The moment of truth, Corin, and that crust, that interior Kieran, absolutely perfect every time. Look at that crumb, huh? Airy, soft, with that gorgeous garlic butter running all the way through. Every day. I make this every single day. And this is why. I always put out extra butter on the side because someone always wants more. Each slice vibe exactly this. Golden outside, pillowy soft inside, garlic butter in every single bite. No oven, no kneading, no special equipment, just good ingredients and a little patience. Variation 1 toe. Add Parmesan right after the butter. Broil on a skillet lid for 30 seconds. Game changer. Variation 2, we have rosemary and thyme instead of parsley. More savory, more complex, absolutely beautiful. 3 tips for perfect results every time. Heavy pan, low heat, and real butter. Non-negotiable. 2 cups flour, 3/4 cup warm water, 1 teaspoon each salt and yeast, 6 cloves garlic, half stick butter. If you make this Tran, and you will make this Tran, come back and tell me how it turned out. I want to know. Every day we're in. No oven, no knead, no fuss. This is my easy homemade garlic bread. See you tomorrow.